The health and safety of our people is our top priority in this company. As a safety engineer, I'm responsible for ensuring that all the processes and operations related to refining these precious metals are safe for the workers, the public, and the environment.
We interrupt this video to present a brief history of safety engineering.
Huge factory fire that happened in New York on March 25th, 1911. It was called the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory Fire, and this is actually a picture of it. The fire was started on the 8th floor, and an estimated 146 people died, most of which were women and children working as garment workers. This was one of the deadliest industrial disasters in United States history, and was actually preventable fire because it was caused from a lit cigarette and some scraps on the ground. After this incident occurred, a lot of people were looking on ways to fix it, and thus the American Society of Safety Professionals was founded in 1911. The Society's members used risk-based approaches to prevent workplace fatalities, injuries, and illnesses. Overall, they were just looking to protect workers. Just a few years after, accidental death rates decreased by 13%, which was a big margin at the time because there were a lot of industrial accidents. And today, there are over 37,000 safety professionals in this global organization.
Now back to the video.
Some of the tasks that we do at this company is conducting risk assessments and safety audits for all refining processes, equipment, and facilities to identify potential risks. We also investigate accidents and incidents to determine the root cause and develop strategies to prevent them from occurring in the future. We also develop and implement safety policies and procedures that comply with industry standards and government regulations such as the OSHA and the EPA regulations. Our employees are required to attend and complete safety and first aid training each year. They are trained properly using protective equipment. Some safety requirements that we have in labs that include chemicals are requiring and providing the suitable attire, such as goggles, lab coat, and flame-resistant hijabs, ensure that our workers are safe at all times.
While they deal with that, let me tell you a little bit about what we do here at the company. We take ores that have been mined, or metals that have been recycled, and we turn them into usable precious metals. So, at a basic level, we use a three-step process to turn these ores into product. The first step is melting the metals down in a furnace. Then, we'll remove impurities from the molten metal, either through smelting, cupellation, and/or adding chemical agents to react with impurities. Then, the purified molten metal is cast into whatever the desired shape is. That could be bars, ingots, or a plethora of other shapes, whatever the client wants, really. We then also have to determine the purity of the precious metal by weighing it. And the products we create are necessary for a variety of industries, including jewelry making and electronics manufacturing, to name a couple. Of course, there are certain hazards associated with the precious metal refinement industry, and we as safety engineers have to contend with them. These include extremely high temperatures in the furnaces, such as this one right here, handling molten metal, and dealing with various chemical agents. We need to make sure that all the employees here stay safe and happy, and we work every day to make this a reality. And I'll pass you off to our head recruiter now.
Hi, my name is Samuel Lee, and I'm here to tell you the qualifications to become a safety engineer. Now, the minimum education requirements to become a safety engineer is a bachelor's degree in an engineering field such as chemical, industrial, or mechanical engineering. Or you can have a bachelor's degree in environmental health and safety. Now finally, while not required, joining a co-op education program also increases your chances of getting hired by employers.
Warning, we are not responsible if this information does not lead to you becoming a safety engineer or meeting progression. Thank you for watching.